Tree samplings were planted today at Yairipok, Angtha, in the presence of Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Syamkumar. Talking to media, the minister stressed on the need for preserving water resources and planting more trees in order to keep a check on climate change and other environment-related issues across the globe. Ahead of the Indian Independence Day celebration, a team comprising of Thoubal Police and Khongjom Police conducted a cordon and search operation this morning at Sambram Makhalekai of Thoubal. As per reports, around 350 individuals were verified by police during the search operation. Similar search operations were also conducted by an Imphal East Commando team this morning at Kongbu Bazar, wherein around 175 persons were verified while 60 were verified at Irilbung Police Station for further verification. Chief Minister N. Biren today will meet representatives of civil society organizations to discuss the ongoing peace talks between the centre and NSCN-IM at CM Secretariat, Imphal. The principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Phairoijam Landhoni, and Administrator Phairoijam Romita will be produced in a local court. They are accused in the death of Ningthaujam Baby Sana. Around 700 police have been deployed in around Chairap Court Complex, Imphal, to prevent any untoward incident. The Joint Action Committee, formed by different social organizations of Tamenglong District, has called a 48-hour ban from August 10 in Tamenglong District over the current boundary dispute with Jiribam District. The acting chairman and president of NSCN, K. Yung Ong, was yesterday officially appointed as chairman and president of the Naga outfit, a media report said. Several goods-laden trucks to Imphal remain stranded on Imphal-Dimapur highway after landslide that occurred on Sunday near old dumping site of Kohima Municipal Council, Nagaland. Congress Working Committee meeting on Jammu and Kashmir issue will be held later today. It could be postponed for tomorrow if the parliament proceedings are extended as per reports. Situation over the last 24 hours have been peaceful since Article 370 was scrapped in Jammu and Kashmir by central government, but extra security forces have been put on high alert to avert any untoward incidents in the region. A Taliban official says the United States and the Taliban have resolved differences in peace talks over troop withdrawal from Afghanistan, as well as Taliban guarantees to cut ties with extremist groups, according to reports. The development came during talks over the past 2 days in the Gulf Arab state of Qatar, where the Taliban maintain a political office.